So if you do this on a parking lot like I'm doing it, you have the freedom to do what you need to do when you need to do it without anybody really bothering you. There was a couple of trucks that came by, but they know what you're doing, so they're good with you. So basically this is what I do when I ride very slowly, and this is what I do when I'm in traffic. Even when you're very, very, very slow, and this is when you're in heavy traffic, which is something probably you won't have to do, where I've had to go from left lane to right lane doing 2 miles an hour, and there's just too many cars. What I do is, I try not, forget about looking cool. What I do is I duck walk. I duck walk it to, change lanes as I'm turning, because if I'm doing 2 miles an hour with heavy traffic, there's too many things that you have to worry about, and you could drop the bike. So what I do is I go very slowly. I'm still in second gear, clutch in, and I start duck walking. And then when I know that I'm ready to, not do that, then, put my feet back on the pedals, and then I start riding again. So I'm gonna go once again around the block, around the area, just so you see how I shift from 1 to 2 to 3 in very slow conditions. So here we go. Neutral first, and here we go. Okay, I don't rev it up. I'm just gonna go to second gear. And I was halfway on the clutch, and I put it on second gear. So now, here we go. Without revving too much, third gear. And here I am. And front brake, back brake, clutch here. How's it going? Here you can put it on second gear. And I'm doing 10 miles an hour right now, and I'm in second gear. I'm going to 15, and I'm going to put it into third. And I'm not revving it. See, I'm just nice and easy. Bring it back down to second gear if I wanted to. Here we go, second gear. And feather the clutch so the bike doesn't jump. And here I'm leaning because I'm doing about 50 miles an hour, so I'm leaning a little bit. Feathering the clutch in second gear. Gonna go the other way. Feathering the clutch, brake, and still in second gear. Feathering the clutch and let go of the clutch. Okay. I leave my hand here in case I need to do the maneuver, like I do see. I don't have to put it in first. I put it in first. You don't have to, but I'm gonna put it back in second. Yeah, I did. Back in second. Feather clutch. Feathering the clutch. And I have a freeway. So right now I'm 10 miles an hour, second gear. I'm gonna put it into third. 50 miles an hour, third gear. Miles an hour, third gear, and that's it. So second gear, neutral, stop. All right. Hope you learned something from this. Now I'm gonna go to another point, and I'm gonna do normal riding. You see how I do it, and then that will be the end. Then I'll go home and edit this and send it to you, and you can use it as a learning tool or to laugh at it, and then we'll move on to other things. Talk to you soon.